My tree is decorated with pretty blackbirds. Not sure what kind of blackbirds they are. They're migrating. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. They just keep coming. There's been a bunch of them. Wow, they've just been all on the line and doing those beautiful, I forget what it's called, where they make, those big migration moves. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh, there they go out there. Oh, more over here. I'll just try to keep getting them. Oh, wow. Look at that. I hope y'all enjoy this. It's beautiful.